Okay, folks, the time is here. We are opening up pre-orders for Big Daddy. Our big 8-foot long, 94-inch, 2400 millimeter carbon fiber boat. This thing has the sickest layup. It's a blend of carbon fiber, carbon Kevlar. We've put some stars, checkerboards, a big Kevlar skunk stripe down the middle, and that is so rad. That Kevlar skunk stripe is going to add strength and rigidity. Hardware, we're building the sickest hardware package for it. It'll be similar to our Rampage. Speaking of Rampage, there's our 55-inch Rampage sitting on top of this behemoth. I mean, it totally dwarfs it. It makes that Rampage look like a mini boat, and the Rampage is big. The Rampage is tough for one person to handle. And this boat, I'm telling you, it is really big. You're probably going to need some sort of trailer. You're for sure going to need some kind of trailer to carry this thing around. It'll barely fit in a truck. This thing is great for people who have a dock off their backyard. If not, you want to have some personnel. You want to have a couple buddies there with you to launch this thing, because this is not a normal RC boat. This thing is very big. The high side, this thing handles water like no other. This thing just glides over water like it's nothing. Normal chop that would intimidate most any RC boat is nothing to this thing. This thing is 8 feet long. This is big enough for a human being to cruise around on. Now, we aren't just performance. We give you quality and service as well. As you all know, at this company, I actually answer the phone myself. The CEO, the owner, the guy you see making these videos, the guy you see out there testing the boats, tuning, doing all these things, national champion, the guy who set over 100 speed records. I'm the guy who answers the phone. I'm the guy who gives you your customer service. So when you buy this boat, we don't just leave you dry and hanging. We don't just leave you stuck to an email. You can call me and get any advice or guidance, and that's 7 days a week, pretty much 365 days a year. We're shipping these boats in crates. They're going to be crated to ensure zero damage, and we're expected to be shipping these boats late July to mid-August. Still plenty of summer. This thing is so rad. You are guaranteed to impress any and everyone who sees it, and you are guaranteed to have the time of your life. This is a big RC boat. We are making only 3 of these boats available this season. That's right, only 3. So you might want to get your pre-orders in now. The link is in the description. These boats are going to be fast. Like all of our boats, they're going to exceed 100 miles an hour. We don't recommend these boats for everyone. These boats are for people that are experienced with model boats or with full-size boats, because this boat is in every way like radio controlling a full-size boat. This is an 8-foot long boat. This thing is really fast, really stable, really strong. Being that there's only 3 going to be sold this year, we're going to be interviewing each person that pre-orders one of these boats to make sure they're the correct fit, and they realize that and understand that they're getting a really big boat that's going to take special means of transportation. Again, these boats will be 3 available, and pre-orders are open now. The price will be in the description on our website. We're sure these boats will get ordered up pretty fast. Good luck. And if you haven't already, subscribe to our channel, smash that like button, and remember, who makes the biggest